Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I would like to talk and show you how to use the Synology apps, in this case in the iPad. I have the Synology this station for about 6-7 months and it works really good at home, but I can show you before how to use the Synology applications in any of the smartphones, tablets or iPads in that case. So I recently bought that iPad, and in this video I would like to show you how to use some of the apps such as DS Video, DS File, and also there are other apps from Synology like the DS Cloud, DS Music, Photo Station, etc. So the one that I'm focusing on this video, because to be specific, is the mainly or the most functional for me, that is DS Video, because I like to have my media server the whole time. Unfortunately, I must let you know that at home Synology works really good in any of the devices you have, the smart TVs, computers, laptops, smartphones, tablets, etc. because it is using your Wi-Fi network at home. But in my case, because my internet connection is not really fast, if I'm looking to try to upload any files such as video, etc., because I'm only having 1 megabyte speed upload, it stopped me. It's basically not to play any videos outside home, even if I'm using any of the LTE networks with a smartphone at the street, or if I'm in my friend's house that has better speed connections in relation with internet. So it's a shame that my connection is not good, so I cannot stream media content through my home to any other devices outside of my Wi-Fi network, outside home basically. So in that video I would like to show you how to use the applications from Synology, in this case to be specifically DS Video, in my environment, so in my home in that case. What I'm gonna do first is show you the menus, how does it work. So firstly I'm gonna unlock the iPad, and as soon as we unlock the iPad, we see my applications, in that case DS Video, and I have also DS File. This file is for files, so you can upload, download files, erase files from the iPad, in that case, straight away to your Synology. It really works pretty good. So, and also it has additional feature that I'm going to show you in a few minutes in relation with the DS Video. So firstly, I have already downloaded DS Video from the App Stores and another application as well. So I'm just gonna click on this video, and you can see from here my movie. This is my movie folder where I have all the movies I like. There is a few things I like to discuss in this video. Firstly, so you have all the cover, the looking of the application is really good. It's not the best, so I still prefer Plex instead of Synology, but I must say that Synology apps works really good in your environment, like the smart TVs, iPads, etc. So it's different from Plex, but it works good also. So in that case, my movie folder contains a lot of movies differently from the native format or native video format of the iPad, that is MP4. So mostly all of the videos, or almost all of the videos I have here on this folder, those are MKV videos. So to prove that one, I'm gonna select any one, like random, for example that one, And as soon as we have the summary of the movie, we can see there are two options below the picture. The blue one that it says is not available means that you can download the episode, the movie into your device, in that case my iPad. It is displaying that is not allowed because the iPad only works with the MP4 files, and this is not an MP4 file. It can show you that is in the summary of the file. It says that this file is MKB file with DTS audio codec. So it's basically, that's a summary. And it will start playing. We will see it because it's not MP4 and we cannot download the video on an iPad and play with the native iPad player. So it will show me the different options we have, or I have already installed, like an applications on my iPad. So the firstly, as I told you before, this file is showing me as the first option because, as I said before, it's an additional feature that it can play any kind of videos. I don't know why or how, but it can be done. And then the second option we have is one of the applications I downloaded is a movie app that it can play any kind of videos basically, unless this kind of videos. So this is the video with the DTS file. If I try to play the first option, it will run, as you see, smoothly. It may need a few seconds to buffer the video first before it shows you on the screen, but as you can see, it's really fast while you're using your Wi-Fi network at home. So I'm just gonna click on pause and click on the cross to come back. Also, if I repeat the same step, we have the M player as the second option. So if I select it, as I said to you before, that we cannot play DTS, is not supported. So we can play the video, as you can see, but we cannot listen anything because it is not supported. Otherwise, from now on, the only kind of file I found out that cannot be played on the cannot be fully played is this kind of videos, NKB with DTS, because you have NKB with AAC3, if I'm not mistaken, if I'm not wrong, sorry, or also MP4, MP3, whatever, anything will work. So I'm gonna return to this video. As you see here, this is one of the videos, random videos with another kind of format. I'm gonna click on back, and I'm gonna go to TV or TV shows. I'm gonna click in that one as example. I'm gonna click in that one, and this is an episode of one of the series I'm following that it's in already MP4 format. As you can see on the top, is maybe hard to see from the camera, but this is MP4 format. So with an audio that is AAC format. So that's the summary of the video. And as you can see, it's allowing me to download the video into an iPad to play later with any of the apps that I have, with or without internet. Doesn't need it because you already have your video on the iPad. And if I'm just trying to click on play the video, it's a green button on the top, it will straight away play with the player, the native player of the iPad, because it's a native video. It don't show you, it don't let you choose different options. It will, well, now it's telling me that you want to continue from this point. I will say no, I will start again. As I said, the iPad doesn't let you choose which kind of player do you want to use. So the only ones it's playing is by the native player. It let you choose if you like or not to take to display some subtitles on the video. I'm gonna click on no and play the video. And now you see it's only took a few seconds and now it's playing. And you have the basic controls on the bottom: play and pause, forward and backward, volume up and down, and on the top the information about the minutes remaining from the movie or this episode. If I show you how good and quickly works by just skipping some minutes and going to the middle of the video, and you see it's working now. It took less than 5 seconds to start from the middle of the video until the end. So that's how does it works basically. If someone of you knows better any other players than better than N player, please, I would like to use, you can take a few minutes and write it down on the comments. I will appreciate it so much, and hopefully in the future, if I found it really good, I can review that, or I can show you on another video how to use this application. Well, so that's the mostly the best application from Synology in my case. There are not the most, are not on my iPad as DS Cloud, Music, etc. But as you may see, you have a quick view about how does it works, how quickly it goes, and how good it is. So thank you so much. Hopefully see you in the next video and enjoy.